So we went to an auction today. Even though it was a blizzard condition, it did clear up. But this we had to leave at 6:30 in the morning just to get there by 9:30. It was a 45-minute drive, but we were gonna stop for breakfast. This is my road. I just love all the trees and everything, so I thought I would just kind of share a little bit of that. And then this was M66. It's a highway, not an expressway, but a highway. And like you can kind of see right about here on the left where all that little divot is, there was a car in the ditch. I didn't notice it. My husband told me. But it was about 2:30 in the afternoon when we came back. It was done. But this house right here, this house is literally like stuck in the 80s. Even the bathrooms were carpeted. So there was 36.36 acres that were going up for auction today. In the house, there was horse stall barns, 3 different pastures, and the wooded area is a nature preserve. And this house sold for 650,000. We were not here for the house. We were here for some trailers. There was a large pile of wood, a generator, a few other things that we had our eye on. Even though we were in our no spend month for January and February, this was something that we had set money aside for ahead of time to come to this auction and buy these things that we need for our homestead. But I thought I would show a little bit of the house. I didn't show the kitchen, but if you think back to the 80s of what a kitchen would look like, it legit was stuck in the 80s. It was cool, but the realtor was in there. There were other people looking at the house, so I didn't want to interrupt just because we were not purchasing the house. So I just wanted to give a little glimpse of what this house looked like. It was super adorable. It's tucked way back in. It's like, I'd say at least a half a mile, 3/4 of a mile, just straight back on a river. It was pretty cool. So I just thought I would take you through this house and kind of show just how cool looking it was. I don't know. I don't know why older houses that are like in a time capsule kind of thing. So this is one of the tractors that was going up for auction. There was a ton of outdoor stuff. This like mower deck for the tractor. This trailer right here is one of the ones we had our eye on. We did end up purchasing that trailer. And then I just thought I would show all the other stuff. Stepped in the way.
Coming over here on the steel hat, right there we go. 10, there we go. And you might have to go 10 hours to go. And 10 hours to go, 10 hours to go. Guys, give me 5. 7.5, 10. 12.5, 15. 15. 17.5. 17.5.
This thing was in mint condition, and I mean mint. It sold for $16.50.
Right there, everybody get for it. $10,000 started in gold. 10,000 do I have 5? Thank you. 6,000, everybody in. 5,000, 6,000, here you go. 5,000 there and 6 where? I have 5,000, 6,000, $7,000 on 6,000, 7 are you looking? And 6,000 there and 6,500 there and 7,000, 75. 75 and 5 and 75. It's your turn. $8,000 on it. 8,000 there and 8,000, 75 and 8,000 where? 8,000 get me in. 75 and $8,000 on it. 75 and 8. And 75 and $8,000 on it. You're all done. So am I. 8,000. Yes, you know, 8,000. 8,000, 85. 85 and 9. $9,000 on a 9. 9,500 there. $10,000 there. 10,000. Where we right to start. 10,000. Let's do it. $10,000 on it. 10,000. Did you say 10,000? 10,5 and 10,5. I'm at 10,5 and $11,000 on it. 10,5 and 11. It's 10,5 and $11,000 on it. 10,5 and 11. Does anybody else want it? And 10,5 and $11,000 on it. 10,5 and 11. Your turn. 10,5 and 11. 11 to there. 11. 11 to there. Yes or no? Here we go. 10,5 and 11. 11,5. 11,5. 11,000. 11,5. Did you say it? Now $12,000 for it. 11,5 and $12,000 on 11,5 and 12 and 12,000 there. 11,5 and 12. Sold $11,500. Thank you. Number $1,000. Everybody in, let's go. 1,500 you want. And 5 and 600. I got 500 there and 600 there, 600 there and 5 600, 600 there, 5 600 all over 7, but there and 7, 800 800 there, 900 there, 900 800 900 there, 1000 1100 there, 11 to Dunning, 11 12, and 1300 there and 13 you want, and 14 1500 there and 1500 there and 15, but there and 14 15, and 1600 there and 16 1700 there and 16, but there and 17, 1700 there and 16, but there and 17. Did you say 1600 in the back? I need 1700. Is 16 and a half and 17 even, and 16 and a half here, 17 on, and got 16 50 17, and it's 16 50 there, 17. Anybody want in? 16 50 17, and it's 17. Sold 1650. Thank you. Number 236. You got it.
When the drive to the auction is a mile long, you catch a ride where you can. Oop. I don't know where they're going. Are you backing out of their way?
I am.
Oh, we lost him on the curb. Dang, they're going fast with that guy hanging off the side. What are you doing, like 20? This guy's just chilling, hanging on.
That's great. He used to work in Lions.
Did he? So you used to work with him? Oh, somebody's calling you.
Yeah.
Where do you want this trailer at, Chad?
Probably just in that side yard by the round bales someplace.
Alright.
Where we can get to it when we haul wood.
That one's got an extension on it though.
They hit them snow drifts. Ooh, you're gonna get sucked.
He's going down the little spine.
The snow drifts off this field, though.
Might be some nice snowmobile or snow drifts. Dead end or broken.
Your snowmobile too?
That ain't.
I forgot to put that we bought this on the, so I wanted to add it to the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all the good stuff. We do random things between grocery shopping. We like going to auctions. Whenever I do, I just started making videos of those, but please consider subscribing. Have a good rest of your day.